11.4.7. When you start your TDS, please check your version. Current version of TDS software is 11.4.7. This is the latest update. If your software is not renewed with the latest update, then please update your software by going to help menu, check for update, and you can update your software through live update utility. In this version, we have provided you new utility 5.0, which was released by NSDL department. If you want to know what's new in the software, go to help menu and click on what's new. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि हमने क्या नया दिया है सॉफ्टवेयर में, then go to help menu and click on what's new. In this version, we have provided you new utility 5.0 and 2.146. 5.0 effective from 10-11 financial year and up to financial year 19 applicable utility 2.1.146. Now, how to prepare TDS return? By using our software, you can prepare 24Q, 26Q, 27Q and 27EQ. Along with TDS return, we have also provided you Form 24G applicable on government deductors, Form 26QB in case of property transfer. तो जो आपके पास 4 फॉर्म्स हैं 24Q, 26Q, 7Q, 27EQ. Other than this form 24G and 26QB is also available. Now, how to prepare TDS return? We have two options: directly input your data in the software, and another option is Excel import. If you want to directly input your data, then first you have to enter your master information. The first step is go to master menu and click on deductor information, create deductor. Here you have to provide code number. If you are first client, then start from serial number first. If you have created the number of clients, then you can provide code number as per your requirement. So first step is go to master, deductor information, create deductor. Now enter here code number. So provided the code number, name of deductor, TAN number, PAN number, star mark are mandatory, address detail, type of deductor, company, non-company, email ID of company, email ID of deductor. After providing the information, click on next button. Provide here responsible person information, the person who is responsible to sign TDS return. After providing the details, click on previous button and use save button to save your data. So this is the first step to create your deductor. By using create deductor, you can create a new deductor. In case in any modification, then you can use modify deductor. Now select your deductor in which you want to work. आप डिडक्टर सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिसमें आप काम करना चाहते हैं. Suppose I want to select my serial number 36 deductor. By double click I can choose my deductor. Here we can see my selected deductor name is coming. Now select the particular assessment tier and quarter in which you want to prepare your return. Go to master menu, change assessment tier. The current assessment tier is 16-17 and recently we are submitting fourth quarter return. Now next step is provide here bank BSR code. Bank BSR code information is applicable when you are inputting your चालान entry. जब आप अपनी चालान एंट्री कर रहे हैं TDS डिपॉजिट के लिए, then first you have to create your bank BSR code, the bank information in which you are depositing your TDS amount through e-payment or offline mode. Click on BSR code. We have provided you all over India applicable banks BSR code. Only you have to click on add button and select your state. Like my state is Rajasthan, city is Jaipur. Then suppose I am depositing my tax in ICICI Bank Limited and the branch is Jaipur branch. So when I click on find button, I will get here bank code. In case any changes in the bank code, then you can type here. Typing option is also available. After providing the information, click on save button. If it is already added in the below list, then you will get the code already exist. Means it is already available in below list. Modify delete option is also available. If you have wrongly added a BSR code, then you can delete it. अगर आपने गलती से कोई ऐड कर दिया तो डिलीट कर सकते हैं. Wrong information, then you can modify it. Now exit from this screen. Next step is create deductive information. If you are preparing non-salary return like 26Q, 27Q or 27EQ, then here you have to create deductive information. Like clicking on deductive master, here you have to click on add button to add your deductive name. Provide here PAN number, name of deductee, status of deductee is mandatory and other information is not mandatory. Star mark information is mandatory. After providing the information, use this save button to save your data. For again, if you want to add a new, then use this add button. Now here we have provided you PAN verification option. If you want to verify your deductee's PAN number, then we have provided you bulk verification. PAN verification option is available here. Use this button bulk PAN verification to verify your deductee's PAN number. When you click on bulk PAN verification, a new screen will open. Select your deductees to verify your deductee PAN number. Click on add to validation button. Then click on validate button. When you click on validate button, you will redirect on Trace's website. Enter here your user ID and password and use this login button to log in your account. After login, software will automatically verify your deductee's PAN number. After verification, if you want to update the PAN status in previous screen, then you can use this update PAN status. In case any name is different, then you can update name in deductive master non-salary. Same steps are applicable in case you are preparing 24Q and you are creating employee master. अगर आप 24Q prepare कर रहे हैं और जब आप एम्प्लॉय की इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर इनपुट करेंगे. सेम स्टेप्स you have to follow. By using this add button, you can add the employee information, and same here, bulk PAN verification option we have provided you. In case under deductive master non-salary, if you are providing here PAN not available, PAN applied, or PAN invalid, means PAN is not available for your deductee, and you are mentioning here PAN not AVBL or PAN applied or invalid, then you have to provide 10-digit deductee reference number. 10-digit reference number is compulsory in case PAN not available or PAN invalid or applied. 10 numeric is applicable under deductee reference number. If you have more than one deductee, those don't have any PAN number, then different deductee reference number is applicable. अगर आपके एक से ज़्यादा हैं डिडक्टी जहाँ पर पैन नंबर अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो आपको एवरी डिडक्टी में डिफरेंट डिडक्टी रेफरेंस नंबर एंटर करना होगा जो कि 10 अंकों का होगा. Now master entry is completed. Now input your challan data. If you have deposited your challan, then go to challan entry and click on form by challan entry and choose the particular form in which you want to enter your data. Like suppose you are preparing form 26Q, then select here and select the particular form and click on add button to enter your challan entries. Like suppose I have deposited 1 lakh amount, and deposit date is 1st February 2016. BSR code of bank is this. TDS deposit by book entry in case of government, select here yes, otherwise no. Challan voucher number provided by bank. Receipt number of form 24G applicable in case of government. Minor head of challan, select here 200 or 400. Now select the minor head of challan and click on save button. Again, if you want to add a new challan, use this add button. In case you want to do online payment, then online payment option is available here. Click on online payment, you will redirect on department website. Select your nature of payment and click on go button. By using online payment, you can pay your TDS directly through our software. The benefit of online payment facilities: no need to enter your master data. Software will automatically pick the master data from master menu. Only you have to choose the bank name and enter the captcha code. आपको ओनली बैंक की इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है और कैप्चा देना है. सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेटिक आपका नेम, एड्रेस, टैन नंबर पिक करेगा फ्रॉम डिडक्टर इंफॉर्मेशन. Challan verification: if you want to verify the challan, use this challan verification button to verify your challan information. नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड फॉर द अबोव क्वेरी बिकॉज आई हैव एंटर्ड डमी डेटा, मैंने एक डमी डेटा की एंट्री की है, दैट्स व्हाई नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड फॉर द अबोव क्वेरी. So here we can enter the challan entry. Another option we have provided you, you can import your challan data from Traces website. Another option we have provided you, you can import your challan entry directly from Traces login. To import your challan entry, go to online activities, Traces activities. आप चालान का डेटा Traces TDS की वेबसाइट से भी इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. Go to online activities, Traces activities. Here we have provided you unconsumed challan option. Click on unconsumed challan. Provide here your user ID and password of Traces login. And click on next button. Now click on fetch unconsumed challan. You will redirect on department website. When you click on fetch unconsumed challan, you will redirect on department website. Just enter your image capture code and click on login button. Automatically software will fetch entire data from department website and you will get your imported data in this screen. लॉगिन करने के बाद आपका डेटा ऑटोमेटिक इंपोर्ट होके आपकी ये स्क्रीन पर दिखाई देगा. To import your data, use this import unconsumed challan entry. A button is available right side at bottom, import unconsumed challan to challan entry. By using this button you can import this challan entries into the challan entry. This option is available to import your unconsumed challan data. After importing, click on back button and exit from this screen. Now next step is provide your deductee entry. Same here, go to form wise deductee entry and select the particular form 26Q or 24Q, 7Q, 7EQ. Currently we are preparing 26Q, so click on 26Q. Then click on add button. Select here section payment nature. Suppose my payment related to rent and I have already deposited the TDS amount, so I am selecting here the challan. Now selecting the party. Suppose Rahul is the party and date of payment is 31st January 2016. Date of deduction. Type of rent for plant and machinery or others, you can choose here. Enter here the amount paid. Suppose my rent amount is 2 lakh. Software is automatic calculating my 10%, 20,000. In case any lower deduction reason, then you can choose here the reason for deduction line 15 GH, form 13, transporter case or higher deduction. We can select here the particular reason for deduction. After providing the information, use this save button to save your data. Again, if you want to add a new entry, click on add button and select the party, provide date of payment, and click on save button. Now if you want to exit from this screen, click on exit button. If you want to verify your data, if you want to see your entire deductee entry and challan information, then go to reports menu, challan reports, challan preview. To verify your entire data, means you have entered all the correct data and you have mapped all the deductee entry with your challan, then go to reports, challan preview. In blue color you will get your entered challan detail, and under black color you will get adjusted entry with your challan. 1 lakh amounting challan we have created and 2 entry we have adjusted with this challan. Now final step is prepare your FVU file for submission purpose. Click on quarterly return, click on eForm 26Q because we have entered 26Q data. When you click on eForm 26Q, here message is coming, deductor branch division is mandatory. A new utility, now branch or division is mandatory. To enter, click on yes. In case there is no branch and division, then use this branch division not applicable and update it. Responsible person cannot be blank. Enter here PAN number of responsible person and click on previous button and update. Now again come in quarterly return, eForm 26Q. Current date is coming, save location is coming. Now download challan verification file. The file name is CSI. No need to go on department website, directly you can download by clicking on download CSI button. When you click on download CSI, automatically you will get here download challan file. Provide save location and save your data. Close this screen. Browse your saved CSI file and click on e-filing button. When you click on e-filing button, you will get a message. Please update a PRN number of any last file 26Q quarterly return of the relevant statement. If you have submitted any 26Q in last quarter or previous quarter, then provide here PRN or token number in our software. Where to input? Your token number or PRN number of last file written. If you want to enter, click on no button, go to master and use this submitted button to enter your last PRN or token number detail. Under master submitted button, you have to provide here. In case there is no token or PRN number, means there is no return file during the last quarter or period, then when you are clicking on e-filing button, you have to ignore this message and continue by clicking on yes. अगर आपके पास कोई टोकन नंबर PRN नंबर नहीं है तो आपको फिर yes करके आगे बढ़ना होगा. Now click on e-filing button to complete your e-filing process. If you are getting this message, name 10 name provided in file does not match with 10 master database of income tax department, means your deductor name is not matched with the department data, then you will get this message. So please verify your name and update in master deductor information. In case your name is correct, then you can ignore this message, click on OK button, and your file is ready for submission. You will get the message, file validation successful. click on OK button, and your file is here. You can submit this FU file and 27A printout to the TIN-FC center. This is the process to prepare your TDS return form. In case form 24Q, steps are same, means you have to create employee master under master menu. Challan entry you have to do in form 24Q, and deductee entry you have to enter in form 24Q. Another entry is compulsory in case of fourth quarter and you are preparing form 24Q. Then salary detail is compulsory for every employee. फोर्थ क्वार्टर में सैलरी डिटेल कंपलसरी है एम्प्लॉइज की. क्लिक ऑन सैलरी डिटेल. हियर यू विल गेट योर employee name. By double click, enter here your employee salary detail. And save your data and exit. To enter second employee detail, again double click on second employee, enter the details and save your data. To prepare your e-filing data, FUV return for 24Q, same steps. Click on eForm 24Q, download your CSI file by using this download CSI button. After download complete for CSI file, then browse your CSI file from save location and click on e-filing button to complete your e-filing process. Same steps are applicable for 27Q or 27EQ. Now if you want to import your data from Excel sheet, or earlier you are using other software and you have your text file, then you can import your data by going to export import from text FUV TDS file. If you have your text file, earlier you are using other company software or department utility, then you can import that data if you have in text format. Click on import from text FUV or TDS. Browse here your file from save location by clicking on browse button. Select here import in new client code or existing. If deductor name is not available in below list, means your client is new. If name is available in below list, then your existing client. After providing existing client code, enter your code number and click on proceed button to import your text file data. If you have multiple files, then use this multiple import function is available. So you can bulk import is available. If you have number of files in text format, then you can use this import multiple text. Now if you want to import your data from Excel template, first you have to take the blank Excel template from tools menu. Go to tools menu, click on Microsoft Excel sheet, select the particular form, Suppose you are preparing 26Q return, then take the blank Excel template for 26Q, click on proceed, provide the save location, sheet contains 3 worksheets. First worksheet related to deductor information, enter here your deductor data. Second, challan entry, and third is your deductee entry. To import your data, please complete all 3 sheets. Now how to import? Enter your data, save the Excel sheet. To import your data, go to export import and use this import Excel button. Import from Excel option is available here. Click on import from Excel. Click on particular form. Now browse your Excel sheet from save location. Select your assessment year and quarter. Same here, new client or existing. If name is available in below list, then existing, otherwise new client. Enter here code number and proceed it to import your data. These are the steps to import your data from Excel template. If you have entered your data in software and now you require your data in Excel sheet, means you want to export your data from software to Excel, then under export import, export option is available. You can choose a particular form to export your data. In case Finacle report, if you have following bank's Finacle data in text format, then you can import your data by using this import from Finacle. Also Finacle data conversion option is available. Convert Finacle data to Jain Excel template. We can convert your data into our Excel template. Finacle software used by banks. So if you have your data in Finacle format, then you can import it. Same after importing your data from Excel template, now you can do your e-filing by using this quarterly return option. Now if you have any query, you can ask via chat option. Received a query regarding bulk challan verification. First you have to download your CSI file, then go to challan entry, click on multiple challan verification. First you have to enter your all challan entries under challan entry. Thereafter use this multiple challan entry verification. Browse here your CSI file from save location and click on verify now button to verify your challan. Any other query you can ask via chat option. Chat option is available on your screen. Received a query regarding supposed deductor deducted under section 194C for first, second, third quarter and fourth quarter and deposited total tax on 1/4/2015. For the same, you have to submit your return for every quarter by using the particular चालान. आपको सभी क्वार्टर की रिटर्न फाइल करनी है क्योंकि आपके सभी क्वार्टर में पेमेंट हुआ है एंड आपका टीडीएस डिडक्शन हुआ है. तो आपको सभी क्वार्टर में रिटर्न फाइल करनी होगी. Now I am going to end the session. In case any query not answered or if you have any further queries, you can mail on support@kdksoftware.com. This is our customer care helpline mail ID, support@kdksoftware.com. Any suggestion, improvement in software, please mail on support@kdksoftware.com or call on 0141 4123 456. Thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.